What is going on, Adventure Nation? In today's video, we are going to, hey, help, 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 help.
Get in there. Let's ride. Remind me we need eggs.
Guys, it kind of smells like Cheetos in here.
You shut up back there. Babe, how many times have I had to ask you not to use the work van to take the kids to soccer practice?
Well, I wouldn't have to if you had just taken the Subaru to the shop when I asked.
Right, we got this, babe.
Woohoo! See you later, son.
Bring it up. Looks like he's out.
Oh my goodness. Oh, my head. Oh, what the? Big Frank. Who the hell is this Big Frank? Little Tony knew it was you. Build the bike or die. You have until sunset. You have until sunset. I guess these morons don't know that we're in Alaska and the sun doesn't set till 11:30. Joke's on you, boys. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to put this bad boy together. Box is in really good shape for getting dropped way out here, all the way up to Alaska. Now, if I only had a way to get this open, like a knife. All right, well, we're burning daylight. Let me get this thing open. Just drop it on its side, pull this out. If you guys had only told me, I would have brought my tools. Through these parts here quick. Well, that's the charger. That's not going to do me much good out here. Tool bag, that's going to come in handy. Keep all these parts together. Got some pedals, our display, mirrors. All right, our headlight. I think we've got all the parts we're going to need. Let's get putting this bad boy together. Looks like it's going to be pretty easy. Most of this stuff is assembled already, so that's kind of nice. All right, keys are attached to the handlebars. That's nice. We'll get those separated and put them aside somewhere. Man, that derailleur looks good. Nice chain on it. Everything's looking very nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nice big brake. Hydraulic brakes, that's kind of nice. Decent kickstand. Oh, that seat, lots of adjustment in that seat. That'll be great. All right, let's get those handlebars on and then we'll get that front tire on. All right, let's get these handlebars on. This looks simple enough. I could probably read some instructions, but I think we're good to go. Allens are pretty simple. I am losing daylight. I gotta move. There's a little thing in here in the brakes that we have to pull back and get that out of the way. Then we should be able to slide this tire right on in there. Right down over the brake. And that's what I'm talking about. Take this off. thread that through to the other side. All right, axle is on. Get this kickstand down, that'll help us out. And there is a left and a right pedal. Hard to see them in this light, but we're gonna get it figured out. Left, right. Okay. Get this headlight on. All right. That looks like that should get me out of the woods. All right, let's get this display hooked up. I'll teach these guys to leave me stranded out here in the bush. I'll find out who this freaking Big Frank is. He owes me. This little Tony guy too. Guess green plugs into green. That seems simple enough. I think most people can handle that. Battery button here. Pull this up. Push that up. Power is supposed to be on. All right, let's see if we can fire this bad boy up. I suppose we hold this down. There we go. That's good. Let's see how much power we've got. 56%, almost 60% right out of the box. That should be enough to get me back. Need to test that headlight because we're about to use it getting out of here. Yeah, nice and powerful headlight. Big 4-inch tires. Big Frank, I'm coming for you, dude. All right, I should have just enough time to get down this trail, find the river that attaches that lake. That'll lead me back into town.
I made it back to the road. I'm gonna make it. I made it.
Ooh, I made it back. The Rattan Sequoia did the job. A little bit hard to see because we did lose daylight, but absolutely incredible. It did the job as expected. Got me back here safe. Now it's time to throw this thing on the charger, get it all charged up so we can do a full review, and we'll show you that in a future video. Now it's time to go in and get some rest. That was a long ride. I want to thank Rattan for sending me this bike and allowing me to review it for them. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm going to get to put it through the ringer up here in Alaska, so we will show more of that in the full review when we get that out here. It's going to take me a little bit. I want to do some testing, test longevity, the power, braking, all of that kind of stuff to make sure that I can give you guys an honest review on how the Rattan Sequoia does up here in the Alaskan wilderness. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye now.
Next time we take the Sequoia bear watching. Or maybe not.